Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be spilling all the low maintenance habits that I do personally which makes me look like a million bucks most of the time. So yeah, if you want to know more about these easy, simple and accessible habits that can change your life, then please keep on watching. So the first one has to be my personal favorite that I've been doing all this year very religiously, and that is applying ice pack in the morning. So it does not only help to depuff my face, but it also gives me that instant facelift, and also it tightens my pores and I can instantly feel how my skin feels so fresh and so glowy. So yeah, that one has to be on my first list because it is like a game changing thing that I do. And also considering that I do not take any treatment for my face like salon treatment or anything facial. I've never opted for any kind of facials or bleach. This is kind of my daily addition to beauty routine, and it has always given me that facelift, and I love how cool my skin feels. So next up is having like a mini shower routine. So I basically never overcomplicate my shower routine. I've seen all of those videos on Instagram. It looks so good, pleasing to watch, but I know to follow like a complete shower routine is very difficult on your regular days. I have my body wash, my body scrub, which is a gentle exfoliator, and then a body wash definitely which keeps me smelling fresh all day. And then after the shower, who doesn't like to have that post shower glow? So for that I always use like a body lotion all over my body, which makes my skin so soft and also gives me that sheen. So yeah, this is just my 5-minute shower routine which I follow religiously, and which also makes me save a lot of my money. So the next one is about buying and investing in basic clothes, like the basic tees. I'm talking about beige, I'm talking about black tees, trousers, then classic jeans, your shirts, and they are like classics of all time and they never go out of the style. Again, I want to clarify that I am not against of having like colored clothes at all. I think I've already spoken about these things, basic tees and tops, beige, brown. Having these staples in your wardrobe is an essential which can elevate your outfit from this to this instantly, and that's what I'm talking about. It also makes your wardrobe look luxe, and having anything in your neutral tones is going to be a life-changing hack. Also currently brown is all over my mind again, and I love to wear brown these days. The bronze tone for example, and this dress, I love how they look and how they instantly, like in no time, they elevate your style and they always make you look polished. Let's move on towards the next one, and it has to be mini skincare and a makeup routine that you can follow easily. I'm all for no makeup look. I always require like a basic tint, and now that we have like a sunscreen with a tint, it's a total life hack which I love personally, so I can use that. I've talked about my skincare a lot of times here. My skincare is minimal but it is effective, so that's what matters, and it also is not much time consuming, which is a big thing. Makeup, I will talk about like the basic toner, moisturizer and a sunscreen. And if you have like a tinted sunscreen, then cherry on cake, because you don't have to apply anything all over. So yeah, that, and then you can have a little bit of loose powder, a cream blush or a liquid blush, that's it, and then a lip oil or a lip tint or maybe a lip gloss for that say. So you have a mini skincare and a mini makeup routine for yourself, and that's it. It is more than enough for you to look presentable, and also sometimes less is always more, and that's the policy which I follow like most of the time, but if you know how to put it correctly. Okay, so the next one is very important, because up till now I've spoken about all the things that goes outside, but now I'm going to be talking about something that we all must do very like consistently, is hitting the gym. Or if you do not have time or for any other reason you're not able to go to the gym, please do like a home workout. There are these YouTube channels wherein they curate like a home workout for anybody who is not willing to go to the gym for any of the reason. It could be anything, but you can definitely do these home workouts at home, of course, and they are pretty simple, very easy, and also You can do it whenever you want it, whenever you feel like. So inculcate any of the physical activity such as running, or also playing badminton maybe, or anything which is like in a form you're moving your body. So that is very very important. Exercise is the key to looking good, to feel good, of course, and it is the consistency that will change your mindset and also your body and how you feel about your body. And trust me, you are going to feel the change once you be consistent in the gym or in your home workouts, and it will make you feel so good. Going gym or doing home workouts, do not forget to have your daily dose of fruits or your vegetables or something healthy, because eating or consuming healthy is also important. And if you are going to the gym, you're doing the workout and you're not consuming anything healthy, then it is like a waste, because you tend to eat junk, you tend to eat all the calories, and then you are not on track. Go to the gym, home workouts, whatever, but also consume your daily dose of like a healthy diet. Try to eat fruits, try to eat vegetables as much as you can, and try to have your protein intake as well. Now that I've already spoken about a mini shower routine, I think having like a hair care routine, like a mini one, also is very very important, because I have one wherein I apply this hair oil every time before I wash my hair. Trust me, oiling your hair regularly and consistently is going to be a life-changing hack, because you're going to feel that nourishment after the hair shower. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm using this one. I keep it for like 2 hours before, and then I go in with my shampoo, with my conditioner, and adding my hair mask. And I've already spoken about the hair mask I use. So yeah, it's like total worth it hair care routine. Doing my eyebrows and my upper lips at home, so this is something is very personal and everyone can have their own take on it. So I've learned this during the COVID times, wherein everything was shut down, and thinking, and I was just watching videos, everyone was doing their own work. A video wherein she was teaching how to use the threading method to remove the upper lips. Eyebrows, I use my plucker. That's it. That's about it. And I don't shave my face either. I have had this thought of shaving my face, and it is very very satisfying to then apply your makeup, but I have never done that yet. But I don't know, I'm very bit skeptical about it. So yeah, maybe in future. If as of now I just do my eyebrows and upper lips at home, and I've realized that it is not that painful when you do your own upper lips, because in the parlor or in the salon I think it is very very painful. Like I used to be like very traumatized. Right now I think that's the best thing I've learned during the lockdown, to do my own upper lips. Now we have a lot of trimmers like doing your upper lips or shaving your face, but I prefer thread, because I'd used once that small trimmer which was all over the internet, this one, but it gave me like very rough hair growth after it, and I did not like it at all. So removing your body hair, your facial hair, is a personal choice. Keeping your nails clean and polished. So I have never done those extensions, or the extensions, I've never done it, and I'm never going to do it, because I know that they are not good for your health doing continuously. And that is where I like felt it that I should not be doing it, but that is also your personal choice. I like to have a simple nail polish, like a nude color or a black color, whenever I feel like having like but otherwise I keep them clean, and I just will apply like a clear coat just to make sure that they look nice and presentable. That's it for the nail. Investing in good lingerie is like a big thing, because you can have a tons of clothes, different styles, different kinds of body shape, and there are then different kinds of lingerie. And I think you must be having like basic seamless undergarments for your dresses, or for your backless things, or whatever your garment is, and that is really really important. And that's it. These simple low maintenance habits makes me look polished and confident in all the possible ways. And also let me know which are the things that you are already doing, or if there are some more habits that you do, I would love to know them. Drop them in the comments below and I would love to read about them and also to try them out myself. If you have watched this video up till here, please do not forget to give this a big thumbs up. Drop brown hearts in the comments if you love this video, and let me know what other kinds of video y'all would love to see in the next one. And until then, if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe. We are going to soon hit 1000 subscribers, which is going to be a big thing, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, follow me on my Instagram. See you soon in the next video very soon. Until then,
Baby.